Hello everyone, I am Chef Paulina and I'm gonna prepare something that reminds me home so much. So there's like a sopes. So sopes is like a little tortilla, a little thicker. And you can just like make a little pot with the masa. So we have masa here, we have beans, and we're gonna make a molcajete salsa too. So everything is gonna be together in that sope, and it's kind of like a really nice thing to do for a Sunday or just for breakfast. It's really nutritious. It's also related with the most important ingredients of the Mexican food, which is corn. What you can find it in the masa is beans, salsa. So it's like like chiles, but also beans and corn. So I'm gonna start here with a little bit of pork lard. I'm gonna put like a pork lard, but also at the same time a little bit of oil, onions, and salt. So that salt is gonna help the onions to release its flavor. So we call them refried beans because we cooked the beans previously with some water, salt, a little bit of garlic maybe. So then we're gonna, when it's like really hot, we're gonna add our beans. We have this little thing that we use in Mexico. So this is from home actually. We called it like a beans smasher. So it is really helpful for this. Some people, some families, they also add a little like chiles here. Traditionally in Mexico, they do this in clay pots. My grandmas, they show me always add the salt or the spices in cross. They used to be Catholic, so they used to say that is kind of like a blessing for the food. That is something that I really like to do because I really think like it matters the way that you touch your food and how you share that with other people too. When you are cooking with cast iron, it's like they retain the heat really well. We're gonna roast tomatoes, onion, chiles. So this is a serrano pepper. We're gonna roast them. And you immediately start smelling the onions and the garlic and everything going. When I was a child, so I used to say my grandma, why they are doing that? Like this. See? They are kind of moving. So I used to ask her why. And she used to say like, it's because they are happy to be in your tummy. It was amazing. It was kind of a game all the time when I used to cook with her. I miss her so much. That is something that I love from my family, that they were always like giving the ingredients life. Normally here in Michigan State, we always use gloves, of course. It's part of our safety. You know, I grow up with just touching the ingredients with my hands. And I really believe like, moms or grandmas, when they are cooking, they are touching the ingredients in a certain way with certain love that is kind of like passing their love through their hands to the ingredients and the ingredients to your body. So for this, we're gonna add first a little bit of salt, so that helps with smashing the ingredients. It's gonna give you a little traction. So we're gonna do our garlic and our onion first. So we're gonna add that and we're gonna start smashing it. I will also take this out. We're gonna put it here. Some people take the seeds and the veins out. I think they give it a little more flavor. But if you are not handling the heat really well, you can take them off. Tomatoes are ready. So I'm gonna use this one. Oh, there we go. I always go one by one. Ooh, this is spicy. I will add a little more salt and lime juice. Taste it. It's good. The last thing that we're gonna do is our sope. So it's like I told you, it's a little structure with masa. So some people use a tortilla press. I just use my hands. A good way to know that your masa is ready is like when you smash it like this, it keeps the form. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lard and put your, if you don't use lard, you can just use like oil, it's fine. So we're gonna start like pinching them, just like this. So we put a little lard inside. Then we also have queso fresco. Some people add meat on top, lettuce. You can literally add whatever you want. Cilantro. These are sopecitos, like sopes, but in Mexico we always add like ito because it's like kind of cute and little. So they're sopecitos with black beans, lard, queso fresco, and salsa.